What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here in the garage, and today I got another product that I got sent in, and this is something that I'm gonna be using a lot. This is a Ravemen, and this is a portable rechargeable pump, and this is gonna be perfect because I have quite a few bikes that have tubeless, and some of them, since I have not been using them for a while, one of the ones that I use, sometimes it loses air while I'm on the trail. And yes, I gotta fix that, but this can get me out of the weeds. So let me show you, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. All right, so Ravemen over here, portable electric mini bike pump. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what we got. By the way, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for this item. This is super affordable, and I guess it's gonna be something really nice to have on your everyday riding pack gear. And it comes like this, has the instructions. And let's see what we got over here inside the box. So we open this up, and we have an adapter, charging cord. This is USB-C, so that's great because everything nowadays is USB-C. You have a needle inflator for your soccer balls, basketballs, footballs, all that. And I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna find out. Let's see. And over here we have the actual pump. This thing is really small. There you go, that's it. This is the pump. I guess you can go ahead and straight up from there. It says this is hot spot, do not touch. So I guess we got a warning right here saying that this thing is going to get hot, so don't touch it, okay? Then you can you can tighten this thing up like so. And let's see what we have over here. I'm gonna turn it on. See if it comes pre-charged. Yes. That's the PSI right there. I don't know if that's the battery cup. No, that's the, if I want to inflate, that's 81 PSI. I don't want that much. You can leave it pressed and it goes down. And we're gonna test this on one of my bikes that is completely flat. So I usually run about 23 PSI. So let's see how this thing goes. So this is one of the bikes that I run tubeless on the front because I got tired of that. So I put the tubes on the back, but I have, this one is tubeless. This one holds air. A day is fine, but I have another one that whenever I go to the trail, it loses air while I'm on the trail because it's also set up tubeless. And I have not been using it for a while. And I know you gotta be using them, whatever. That's not the point. The point today is to test that this little pump. And we already have it set up for 23. And hopefully this is Presta compatible straight out of the box. If not, we're gonna find out what that little adapter is for. So now, I wanna see if this thing has some type of lock mechanism. No, this doesn't do anything. That's the charging port. So I might need the adapter. Let's see. Now, in order to use Presta, we gotta use this little adapter and this little adapter right here. We're gonna go ahead and hook this up right here because this swivels freely. And if you can put this straight up over here. Yes, it works, but you can't twist it between the rays, so it's not gonna grab really well. So what we're gonna do is gonna put this right here like so, and then we can tighten this on the spot. Then we're gonna put this end back over here, and now we should be able to tight into a Presta valve. No issues whatsoever. So let's go ahead and try this and pump this tire up. Let's see how long it takes and go from there. All right, Now we can also rotate this, and I think I still have it at 23, yes. And we're gonna start. And it starts pumping, inflating. Oh my God, this is super fast. It's already at 10 PSI. And it's not taking too long at all. This will get you out of the weeds right away. And you can see in the screen how long it's taking. So to get you out of the trail, 10 PSI should work. But this, it's what, probably a minute already? That's not too bad that you can wait. 18 PSI is perfect. Some people ride at 18. I prefer to ride about 22, 23. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. And it should stop by itself. Let's see. There you go. That's it. Out of the weeds, good to go. And yes, this thing is a little bit hot, but not that much. I highly recommend this product. This is something I've been wanting on my toolbox and on my backpack kit whenever I go ride, because it's really handy. And like I said, this bike over here is always losing air. Well, not this one. This one is good, but I don't remember if this one is tubeless. The rear one, that one loses air all the time. So, really nice little pump to have. Again, I will leave a link in the description below, and if there's a code, I will also leave it in there. Highly recommend this product, and I guess thanks Ravemen for sending this over. Really appreciate it. Super pumped about this pump. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Again, description, you can find the link. Happy holidays. That's it for this one, guys, and let's ride. Goodbye.